When will Eid ul-Fitr be celebrated in Pakistan according to Central Ruwat-e-Hilal Committee? Hi, this is Minahil Fatma and you're watching Pakistan Connect News Headlines at 12 a.m. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif was informed that Pakistan has adequate petroleum reserves to meet the current demand despite the regional instability. Officials warned that supply disruptions remain possible, prompting that the need for further conservation and preparedness measures. The Premier urged coordinated planning, public fuel-saving efforts, and readiness for the emergency steps as the situation evolves. Deputy Director of the Meteorological Department, Anjum Nazir Zegam, has dismissed the viral claims linking the recent rainfall in Karachi to toxic substances due to the Iran war, assuring that Pakistan's environment remains safe. He explained that the temporary changes in the air quality are normal and under the influence of Western weather systems, and clarified that the modern satellite technology shows no unusual particles in the atmosphere. 5G is officially live in Pakistan. Zong has officially rolled out 5G services in the major cities including Islamabad, Karachi, Lahore and Quetta after securing its license, promising faster internet speeds and wider coverage. The company plans to install over 1,000 5G sites nationwide to boost the connectivity and ensure the device compatibility. Pakistan Telecommunication Authority has issued 5G licenses to 3 telecom firms like Jazz has begun trial services reporting speeds up to 1.4 Gbps. Authorities in Mardan and parts of Bajor announced Eid ul-Fitr on Friday after receiving multiple moon sighting testimonies. The decision contradicts the official announcement by the Central Ruwat-e-Hilal Committee, which set the Eid for March 21st due to no confirmed sightings nationwide. Chairman of the Central Ruwat-e-Hilal Committee, Abdul Khabir Azad, announced that the Shawwal moon was not sighted anywhere in the country, confirming Eid ul-Fitr will fall on March 21st, 2026. As a result, Friday will be the 30th fast of Ramadan. The announcement aligns with the earlier predictions by Sparko, while the government has also declared March 20th and 21st as public holidays. Stay tuned with Pakistan Connect for more updates.